Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today me, Muhammad Arif Soera and Akram Awana going to talk about fractional distillation of petroleum. First of all, what the petroleum is? It consists of two types of crude oil. First is light sweet crude oil and second is heavy sweet crude oil. Petroleum is a mixture of thousands of different types of hydrocarbons. Now we talk about fractional distillation of petroleum. Petroleum can be separated into different fractions by fractional distillation. This separation can take place because petroleum is a mixture of substances with different boiling points. In fractional distillation of petroleum, we got different fractions of petroleum due to different boiling points. The first fraction is petroleum gas. Here the boiling point must be below 40 degrees Celsius. The number of carbon atoms per molecule ranges from 1 to 4. It is used for cooking. Next fraction is petrol or gasoline. Here the boiling point ranges from 40 to 75 degrees Celsius. Number of carbon atoms per molecule ranges from 5 to 10. It is used as a fuel for car engines. Next fraction is naphtha. The boiling point ranges from 75 to 150 degrees Celsius. Number of carbon atoms per molecule ranges from 7 to 14. It is used as a chemical feedstock. Next fraction is kerosene. Here the boiling point ranges from 160 to 250 degrees Celsius. Number of carbon atoms per molecule ranges from 11 to 16. It is used as a fuel for jet engines, cooking and heating. Next fraction is diesel. Here the boiling point ranges from 250 to 300 degrees Celsius. Number of carbon atoms per molecule ranges from 16 to 20. It is used for diesel engines. Our next fraction is lubricants. Here the boiling point ranges from 300 to 350 degrees Celsius. Number of carbon atoms per molecule ranges from 20 to 35. It is used for making waxes and as a lubricating oil.
Thanks Arif. Now I further discuss our topic. First of all, we see the function of fractionating column. There is a fractionating column which separates petroleum into 7 other categories due to their boiling points. In fractionating column, temperature increases down the column. At the bottom of the column, bitumen, then lubricants, diesel, kerosene, naphtha. Second last is petroleum, and at the top of the column is petroleum gas. Conditions for oil refining are: petroleum is heated to 360 degrees centigrade in the absence of air in the furnace to vaporize it before fractional distillation. The question which is arise here is that why must petroleum be vaporized in the absence of air at 360 degrees centigrade? If petroleum is vaporized in the presence of air at high temperature, it may ignite and cause an explosion. We are all familiar about fossil fuels. There are 3 types of fossil fuels: natural gas, petroleum and coal. Natural gas, which its appearance is colorless, constituents are methane gas. Second is petroleum, from yellow to dark brown liquid, and constituents are the mixture of hydrocarbons. Third one is coal, appearance is black solid and constituents are mainly carbon. The first type of fossil fuel is coal, physically solid in state and not easily stored and transported of its solid state because of its solid state. Which is required a lot of space to store. Effect of pollution: large amount of soot and sulfur dioxide are produced from. Second one is crude oil, physically in liquid state and can flow through pipes easily, and also can be stored by transported easily by tankers. The effects of pollution are moderate amounts of soot and sulfur dioxide that are produced from crude oil. Last one is natural gas. Physically, in gas state, can be flow through pipe easily and also can be liquefied under pressure and stored in tanks. Its effects of pollution are very low amounts of soot and sulfur dioxide